Hello and welcome to the Start GSAS II tutorial. I will be demonstrating using Windows. However, depending on your OS and how GSAS II is installed, this can be done in many different ways. Put GSAS II into a shortcut someplace convenient. Mine is on my desktop on Windows. Start GSAS II. You should see 3 windows, 2 of which are almost empty. The topmost one is a vertically split window. We will refer to this as the data window. The left side of this window will contain a tree-like outline of your GSAS II project as you add data, phases, etc. The right side will contain a display of data depending on your tree item selection. The second window immediately under the first is labeled GSAS II Plots. This will contain a tabbed graphical displays when appropriate corresponding to the selected tree item. This may be a crystal structure, powder pattern plot, etc. The tabs allow you to view a recently produced plot. You may be able to interact with the current plot via the mouse, thus changing items in the data window. The third window is the GSAS II Console. It will display error messages and some results of calculations, such as residuals for refinement. No input is taken from the GSAS II console, as all interaction is via the GUI. These windows may be moved anywhere on the screen. GSAS II will save the locations of the first 2 when GSAS II is exited. On a new start, they will reappear in the saved locations. On Linux and Windows, a menu bar appears at the top of the data window. On a Mac, these menus will appear in the system menu bar location depending on which GSAS II window has the focus. The items in the menu bar are separated by a vertical bar. Those to the left, File, are global for the GSAS II project, and those to the right are for the specific data displayed on the right side of the data window. The project file contains all data and results related to the project you are working on. The console window displays a banner and some information about the version of Python and the packages used by GSAS II. This console window will display important information as data processing by GSAS II proceeds. You may wish to cut and paste parts of this window to another place if desired. We suggest that you change the properties of this window by going to Properties and then Layout. Change the properties to have 9,999 for the height and 150 for the width, and allow quick edit mode if applicable for easy cut-paste operation. You can perhaps also change the font size, color, and background color if desired. These settings will be retained for subsequent use of GSAS II. Goodbye and have safe travels on your journey of using GSAS II.